Hello viewers, welcome to Speed Math Techniques with Jikku and Jikku. Today we are going to learn how to write the times table for 18. Jikku is narrating the episode to us today. Hi friends, today we will all learn a faster method to write the times table for 18. There are 4 steps in total. Step 1 is to write on the board from 18 times 1 to 18 times 10. 18 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Step 1 is complete. In step 2, we write all the odd numbers from 1 to 9 and even numbers from 10 to 18. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Note that the numbers go from top to bottom. The first part of step 2 is complete. The second part of step 2 is to write the even numbers from 10 to 18. 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Note that the numbers go from top to bottom. Like in the first part of step 2, we already looked at. Step 2 is complete. In step 3, we repeat the numbers 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0 2 times as shown on the board. 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. We repeat the same. For completing step 3, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Like step 2, step 3 also starts from top to bottom. Step 3 is complete. Step 4 is why you have to pay attention because this is our final answer step. 18 times 1 is 18. Just need to join 1 and the 8. 18 times 2 is 36. Just join the 3 and the 6 together. 18 times 3 is 54. Just join 5 and 4. 18 times 4 is 72. Just join the 7 and 2. 18 times 5 equals 90. Just join the 9 and 0. 18 times 6 equals 108. Join the 10 and the 8. 18 times 7 is 126. Join the 12 and 6. 18 times 8 equals 144. Join the 14 and the 4. 18 times 9 equals 162. Join the 16 and the 2. 18 times 10 equals 180. 18 times 10 is 180. Just join the 18 and the 0. Step 4 is complete and the 18 times table is also complete. Help! Sukku is trying to catch up with Jikku on this technique. Will you be able to help him? To help Sukku, you have to replace the question marks with the correct numbers and complete steps 2, 3 and 4 to complete the times tables below. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the information bell.